Are you growing as a trader? I made a chart the other day and I asked a question and I'm asking the question today again. Are you growing as a trader? If you've been trading for years, for some good time like myself, 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, and you can't pinpoint something massive that is growing in the trading, then you are not growing. And nothing is wrong if you're not at the level that you want to be yet because the time in the term is different for everybody. Everybody's journey is different, but still, you have to be growing and can pinpoint that I wasn't so good at this last year, and now I'm getting better. And I'm going to do my best to help you. So that is why I'm going to do a banger chart breakdown today, show you some of the trades I've been catching, show you how I catch them so you can do the same for yourself and make consistent profits from the market. So let's get right into it. Today, we are starting on the MNQ, the futures. Futures is the future. I love MNQ so much. I'm wondering where was that pair all this time? But I love the MNQ. It has been going really great. Still in a fluctuation in my account, but still I'm learning each day because I've been trading it for, I would say, maybe 1.5 months now. So 6 weeks. And I've been getting great results where I know that once I remain consistent, keep refining those little mistakes, then there's no doubt that I'm going to pass the challenge account and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And then I show you the results too, because you must pass it. That is not if nor but nor maybe. It's a must that we must pass it. So because we are doing what we're supposed to do, getting the results, we're understanding how the market is moving. So we are going to get the results for sure. So again, we start on our daily time frame, and I'm going to show you the checklist because this is the checklist that I use. We see four things we look for to whenever we come to the market. We look for one, our daily support resistance zones. Two, the market structure. Three, the secret sauce zones, which is the biggest killer in my strategy. And then we have confirmation at the secret sauce zone. So these are the confirmations are the things that I need to see together on my trading checklist. And these three, especially two, three, and four, are I say these ones, the number one stays on the chart, but we look for these for every single trade that we are taking. Market structure, secret sauce zone, and the confirmation at the secret sauce zone. So again, that is our trading checklist. So let us now go on the trading view chart now. Again, on our daily time frame to get the first one, which is a strong level of support resistances on the daily. And these are the ones in blue. I always show you exactly how to do it. So I just cover the wick area and we look for these areas where the market push from very strongly. A lot of times, so you see, price is pushing from there in a sell. Then this area is a buy. So you know that those regions are strong levels. So when price comes to those levels, it usually does reversals. And we don't want to be in the trade and the market just reverses on us and us start pushing in the other direction and we never understand what was happening. So I draw those and I keep them relevant to price, meaning where price is in. And you notice how mine looks very neat. Look at them. You see how neat they are, and I don't want any all the way down here, even though this is so ugly. But I don't want any all the way down here yet. I just need these ones up in this region because these ones are more relevant to price. So that is what we start with on the daily time frame, and then I go on the 2 hour time frame. If you've been trading with me for some time, you know that I look for my market structure on the 2 hour time frame. And what is the market structure? Let us go ahead and we show you number two. Number two is the market structure. So remember, let us look now at the market structure now to show you exactly how we look for a market structure. I'm going to do it right here so you understand and see exactly how we do it. So the market structure is, I've never drawn on this before. Let me show you how we do it. Or I can just go back on the charts. Let me go back on the charts and go over. Yes, let me show you how I look for my market structure. So the market structure is when the market is creating higher highs, higher lows. Look at that. Higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend. Because the market can either only go up or down. So when the market is going up, we call it an uptrend. When it is going down, we call it a downtrend. So that is how the market structure is. And we just use this as a representation. But it's not going to look exactly like that, even though we can put on the line chart. It's not going to look exactly so clean like that. But I'm going to show you exactly how I look for it so you can see it in real time as it is forming, because it's one thing to see things after they play out in trading now, which a lot of people, they always talk about things after it has happened. They're not telling you how to get it before. I'm showing you how to get it before. So on the 2 hour time frame, this is my chart now, so it is a little dirty. So let me go on a next chart, which is cleaner than this one. Let me go on a clean charts for you guys. So when I'm on the 2 hour time frame, you see 2H, I look for a support or resistance. And remember how we look for support or resistance? It has to be a pair of candles, meaning two candles beside each other. And let us identify it so you understand. So let us use the arrow tool and identify it. So you notice you always see two candles. You see the red and the blue. In my case, red and blue. Some people have green and red. Some people have many different colors. But I have red and blue. And the red, when there is a red candle beside a blue candle beside a red candle, that means that level is a support because price bought up from that region. So currently, we call this a support. Let us look for our next one. We see price made a red candle again and then a blue candle. That is a support. Red then blue, support. Red then blue, support. So all of these are support, and the opposite would also be true, which would be the resistance. So the resistance now would be blue, then red, meaning price was buying up and then it made a sell. So that is what the meaning of it. Price was buying up with this blue candle, then it started to push down with this red candle. It's buying up with this blue candle, push down with the red candle. So you notice it keeps pushing down. You notice it keeps pushing down when it creates a blue then red, and you notice it keeps pushing up when you create a red then blue. And you have to make sure you understand that perfectly, because we use that all over in our charts to understand exactly what it means. So you have to know exactly what it means. So let now me show you now how I look for the market structure, and I actually mark out mine so I know exactly what I'm looking for, because when I just started trading, most of my losses were because I was trading opposite to where the market was going. So if the market was usually buying, then I would be selling, or if it was selling, I would be buying, because I never understood the market structure. So that was a major issue for me. So I would just enter the trade, and then the trade just pull back on me, and I'm like, why is that happening? So I would just, let us say I enter a sell here, and then this buy just kick me out, and I'm like, what is the cause of that? It was because I never understood the market structure. So that is I would say, a key cornerstone in my strategy, even though everything is key because they all combine together to make one thing that works, that I call the secret sauce masterclass. And you can click the link in the description to get that 5 day free trial, zero risk, and then it's just a measly $44.99 per month, where we can break down trades. You can ask many questions in a group, but you can check that out and test it for yourself, apply everything that I'm doing, show me the results, show me, send me a chart so you're marking them up, or you're getting the entries and that. And then if you don't, if it's not something for you, then no risk, you can just cancel, no charge. But test that out to show you exactly how I look for it and look for the secret sauce zones. But let me show you first how we do the market structure. I use a little trend line, and then I mark out when price broke an area, because remember I just showed you that this would have been a support, and then one price closed below this support. But here is the secret sauce in my thing as well. When one price close below right here, I don't just automatically say that is a break of structure. I wait till the next one confirms. And yes, sometimes it make you miss the impulsive move, but also a lot of times it save you from taking those fake out trades as well. So as you get more advanced, then you can start to take the breakout ones if you understand it and you're comfortable with taking it. But at first, I normally just wait until it gives me a confirmation. So this candle would be gone all the way down. And you maybe say, yeah, you miss it, but yes, you're gonna miss trades all the time. So you want to wait on those proper ones that give you good confirmation. So that is how I look for it. And then I use vertical line to confirm, to cover the confirm candle. And this just shows me that, okay, currently we are in a sell structure or a downtrend. So I want to keep note of that always and until anything changes. So as long as nothing changes, then that is what I'm looking for. So that is how I mark the sell ones. Let me just give you an example. Same time for the buy ones. Again, remember red then blue then red, which would be a resistance. I draw my little trend line, and then I draw my vertical line to say that okay, price stayed above this resistance that it broke and confirmed that it stayed above there. And that is what I just do day in, day out, day in, day out. And we follow it as it is happening. So see this one broke a little below. Even it breaks a little below, it still broke the structure. And then this one confirmed. Again, same thing right here. This one break below, and then this one confirmed. So that is how I look for breaker structures, always and forever. And then I just keep watching them as the days go by and the hours go by, because it is on the 2 hour time frame. It's not very quickly, but it's not very long either. The 1 hour would be very quickly, but sometimes you realize you get a lot of fake outs too on the 1 hour for me personally. And then the 4 hour takes a little too long. And because we trade intraday setups, then I stay on the 2 hour, which has been working significantly well for me. So that is how I would do it, and that is how we track it in lifetime. So we stay on the 5 minute charts, then we come up on the 2 hour chart as it is closing, because that means one candle takes every 2 hour to close. So I just watch the timing, which you see at the right here on the scale, and then I just watch the timing as the candles are closing, and then I look and see and just match it up to that. So that is how I do the market structure and identify it on the chart, so I know which direction my trade bias is, because you want a direction, and that is how I find the direction the best. So real gems that for you to apply if you don't look at it like that. So yeah, again, I show you how I do it. So let us go back now to our charts that is markup. Let me just show you one of the trades that I caught. All of my trades I catch in a very similar way. Of course, no trade is going to be exactly the same because the market is going to be doing different things all the time. But all my setups have my same things in the trading checklist, which I just showed you, and I can show you again. All the trades have these things that I just tell you. The market structure, secret sauce zone, and the confirmation at the secret sauce zones. All of them have that. Every single one of them have that. So that is how I look for that. And that is my trading checklist again. So you can take a screenshot of that, and I show you how to do it now so you can look for it yourself. And let me show you how I caught a trade. Let me show you how I caught a trade. I caught two trades actually up here. I caught a trade right here. Let me show you. Wait. Let me go on the chart to see it. I caught even a buy right here when price came to my secret sauce zone, but let me show you exactly how I caught that one. Because I'll be catching these shades in the man. Be catching these shades. So I caught a sell right here. Yeah, this one. So when price push back right here now, again, let me show you the secret sauce zone. I remember, if you want to get the secret sauce, you have to link the Cold Mansion boss. And how are you going to get it? you're going to get it in the free trial in the group. It is there waiting for your free trial. And then you can get the steal the secret sauce. No charge, no charge. So when the market made a pullback, I actually got a sell up here too, because I had a secret sauce zone up here. See one right here in the purple. And then I got this sell right here. And then I caught also a next sell right here. So the secret sauce zone, I can find them so easy because I look for them all the time. So this, and then I entered that one too as well. So these are two trades that I actually took and won those two trades. And then I took a trade right here first, and I took a loss right here. And then I took a win right here. So that is how. So when it came back, because I was expecting buy from right here, so when it stopped me out, I had no problem to take it again. But to understand that as you are trading the market, so see exactly how I do it. Again, mark up the secret sauce. Again, if you want to get the secret sauce, click the link in the description. You have the trading checklist, and I'll be adding a lot more things. And you can ask me any questions that you want to, and we just I start doing more live streaming too when I'm actually taking the trades. I haven't started that yet because I want to pass this account first. But I'll be doing more live streaming. I still go live. I go live on Tuesday. So also check out my live stream on Tuesdays where I'll be going over breakdowns. We'll be just chilling, talking, sharing your journey, sharing your experiences as traders. Because the trading field, it's because it's you versus you. It's a very lonely field, but still, you have to be showing up every day and doing what you should do. So that is how I caught those trades. I caught all those trades. Oh, and let me show you the confirmation. The confirmation is when price created what? The blue then red, just like I told you. Blue then red. And you notice? Blue then red for the sells and for the buys, red then blue. So it's the same exact thing that I taught you. Exactly how I look for it. Again, what is happening right now? Price created a new low again, and then we have a confirmation, and price is just playing a little. Maybe now I'm finished for the day. I'm just watching though and see, and I'm now trading a challenge account. It's been just fluctuating, because I'm learning to sharing all the gems with you. Because I was trading a next pair before, but we're always upgrading, always getting better. So are you growing as a trader? So let us look at what price can do now. Price broke below. Again, we're going to look for our secret sauce zone. So currently, the secret sauce zone would actually be all the way up here. So it's these zones. I actually expect price to tap back into one of these zones. So I'm not rushing the market. And again, we're just chilling, to be honest. But that is because I understand what I'm doing. So if you want to get what you're doing, Secret Sauce Masterclass is there just for you. Again, let us go on the US 30 Dow Jones. We do some banger breakdowns. Again, see I even don't draw these. You see how the market is? I don't draw these zones. I just draw them and leave them. And you see how price is respecting them most of the time. Because I've been so focused on the MNQ, so I don't really look at the US 30 that much. But I know I have my guys who trade the US 30, so I always do some breakdowns for them. It's the same thing. Again, same market structure. And want to break below, want to confirm, and then we're just waiting for price to tap back into the secret sauce zone. So let us see. Actually, for the US 30 this morning, if you were trading the US 30, it gave actually a cleaner setup than the MNQ. So if you were there, you could have got this sell right here when price created this. See, at the secret sauce zone, I remember why that is in the description. Click the link for that. So you see when price created the blue then red, just like I showed you, then you could have gotten a trade from right here. Put your stop loss above here, take price down back into this level. So that would have been a clean trade. Maybe a 1 to 4 or something like that, because I normally use 60 points. So that would have been maybe a 1 to 4. So you see, simple trade when you understand what you're doing. So look at that. And again, even that secret sauce zone, there was a next one right here too. So when price tap back again, you could have caught a next trade and a next trade and a next trade. So many setups. But let us look at what the US 30 is doing now. Still pushing down, still pushing down. So when we miss these trades, we normally don't rush them because these would have been the zones. So if you're not comfortable and you don't come pulls back and give us an entry, then we just be waiting on new structure. Again, see it even tap back into our daily support resistance and then created a resistance, a little a support, I should say, and then push up. Chances are it can tap back into right here and then push up. But again, we just following the market structure. We're not guessing nothing what the market is doing. We're just watching what the market is doing, and then we take advantage of the opportunities. So that is it for today on the trading view here. Let me show you the top step because I'm trading on top step. So see it moving live right here. See all the trades that I took, and you can see how much we up for the day. So you see how that is playing out. And we're going for goals. We want to hit this. We want to pass this account by the end of the month. So we're pushing and pushing and pushing. Not rushing though, but taking the opportunity. So see how it is. So it's live in the trenches with you too. So we're not just, it's not no demo account business. No, even though nothing is wrong if you're just starting out and you want to use your demo to test your skills, but we're not living on the demo all the time. We can test our skills and then we come back to the live market. So that is it for today. Dropped a lot of gems on that one again. Remember to take the trading checklist, screenshot it, apply it for yourself. If you want to get the secret sauce masterclass, though, this to learn the secret sauce zone, you can get the click the link in the description for that and get the free 5-day trial. It's there, broken down in its simplest form for you to get it and apply it to your charts. And all you have to do now is just send me your results. You can just send me your results and you can send me it on my X account, Cole Mansion. Let me show you. So this is my X account. Follow Cole Mansion. It's two ends. It's two ends there, not like on the YouTube channel. It's two ends, so you can just follow me there. I post results day in, day out, because I'm not going to be streaming every day and making videos every day, but I'm in the market every day. Even if I'm not trading every day, but I'm still in the market every day. If you're not already, like and subscribe again, see you are here on the channel, so drop a like and a subscribe. Comment your favorite part of the video. Which part you got a gem, which part you learned something new, what you want, and then also I am welcome any feedback, anything that you say you think I can do better, what you want to see, any peers you want me to mark up, feel free to drop that in the comments. Remember, we are building as a team. As I level up and hit my goals, I want you to hit your goals too. And if you are new here, you don't know, but if you are old, you know our goal. This is our goal for this year, especially 10K per month. This is our goal, especially. This is the goal we really want to hit, and we're going for it with everything that we have. So we're putting it in green, money green. Yes, this is our goal for this year. And I know I'm gonna hit it eventually. When it's gonna happen, we don't know yet, but we're pushing, putting in that work, and I'm doing the best that I can to help you drop a lot of value. So I hope you got a lot of gems on this one. Rewatch it if you have to. If you missed something, again, if you want a secret sauce zone, you know where to find it. But stay tuned for Sunday's breakdown as well too. And we're just leveling up and getting better over here at Team Cold Mansion. So remember, Cold Mansion, because really, is there another option? See you on the next one. Peace.